Do not befriend someone who does not love you as you deserve, for surely he will not mourn your loss as you deserve. A true friend is one who, when nothing is left to offer, still remains the foundation of friendship. Without love, there can be no true friendship. Is not about and being inseparable, but about being separated, and nothing changes. Love for others what you love for yourself, and hate for others what you hate for yourself. A friend cannot be considered a friend until he is tested in 3 occasions in time of need, behind your back and after your death. The best friend is he who forgives you in your worst moments, supports you in your darkest hours, and remembers you in his prayers. True love is not just about words, but about actions that reflect compassion, kindness, and selflessness. Love is a flame that burns unseen, a wound that bleeds without being felt, and a taste that is bitter without any cause. The greatest form of love is to strive for the well-being and happiness of others, even if it means sacrificing your own desires. Friendship is like a tree, its roots firmly grounded in trust, its branches reaching out with kindness, and its leaves providing shade in times of adversity. True friendship is not measured by the length of time spent together, but by their sincerity and loyalty of hearts. Love is not possessiveness or obsession, but rather a deep connection that nurtures and uplifts the souls involved.